duty from cradle to the moment that they are going to grade 9. Our superpowers, early childhood development, is we are setting up the rest of early childhood, the rest of the basic education sector to succeed. If children receive the right skills, the right soft skills during this period, it means that when they get to grade R, they're ready to take on board all the opportunities that grade R offers and the rest of the system. So if we get this right, we are making the lives of our teachers and the entire system just so much easier later on. But the flip side is also true. If we don't get it right, it's a massive lost opportunity. It means those children enter grade R not having those skills in place and forever catching up what they missed out on. And that is not just because of the hierarchy of learning and how that works, but it's because of this unique period in brain development that closes after 5 years. So a window of opportunity closes if we miss it. And that is why the function shift, that is why we care, and that is why we are so passionate, and I was so excited that we're sharing this space with people who earnestly believe in what we do. It's not just a nice to have, but it's essential for the rest of our basic education sector. And that is why we set out this very ambitious goal for ourselves to say we want to reach universal access to quality ECCE programs by 2030. But that also left us with a bit of a challenge. It's like, it's lovely to have a nice vision. How do we achieve it? We are not, as basic education, the providers of early childhood development. It's provided independently by so many incredible women in our communities. We don't have the institutional knowledge of establishing new programs. We don't have the institutional knowledge of what it takes to coach and mentor ECCE. But again, we've got partners that have that. And that is what we are aiming to achieve here, is to say, how do we come together, work strategically together, each bringing their own unique strengths, so that we can see this vision come to life. So yes, if we take our challenge and we put it in numbers, we know nationally, we still need to create spaces for another 1.3 million children. That's a big goal. That's not a small goal. It means roughly that we need to establish almost twice as many ECCE programs that we currently have. If we just think of KZN, we know that KZN, your numbers are always much larger than the rest of the provinces. And that means that you carry quite a significant portion of these numbers on your shoulders.